The LEXIBOOK RP500NI Alarm Clock is a delightful Super Mario-themed projector clock that brings a playful atmosphere to any child's room. One of its standout features is the ability to project the time onto the ceiling, creating a fun and engaging way for kids to know the time. The clock includes 4 unique sound effects that can be activated by pressing the Mario figure, adding an interactive element to the experience. For nighttime comfort, it has a cozy nightlight function that can be activated by pressing the base, providing gentle illumination for up to 15 minutes. The device features a digital time display on an LCD screen, ensuring clear visibility of the time at all hours. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it is designed with convenience in mind, allowing for easy placement anywhere in a child's room without the need for cords.